Motherfucker's got some zoom on that thing, man. Weird, mysterious object near the moon. I saw this on TikTok. Let's take a look. Mother- Motherfucker's got some zoom on that thing, man. Wow. Pretty good. Man, that's zoomed way in. Wow. Wow. That's actually pretty decent. This one garnered 50 million views on TikTok, by the way. Let's take a look at that one more time. I don't think that's a phone camera. I think, because you can actually hear it zoom in, I don't think you can see. I think that's like an actual telescope. Let's see. Man, that's a, no matter what, that's a great view of the moon right here. I mean, wow, that's beautiful. Wow. Huh. Got like some kind of ship here, and then it's kind of another ship or pod or something descending on the surface. Huh, that's a pretty good one. Let's see if I can slide over the comments, read some for you guys. Alright, looks like some Russian dude posted this or something. Bro experienced the moon with his camera. Yeah. I'm trying to figure out what kind of camera you got. Let's see what people say to that one. A Nikon P1000 can do that. Man. Or literally any telescopic lens. Wow. Usually really expensive. A P1000 all-in-one. $1,000 out the door. Whose phone can see that far? Probably nobody's phone, sir. Or ma'am. Sir. It's the teacher from Rick and Morty. POV, you have a Samsung S1 57 Ultra. Yeah. It's Vector. What's that? See what somebody says to this. Taking too long. Comment. USA flag, obviously. Dude, the zoom is amazing. I would agree on that. What is this phone? Blah 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 version. No one is talking about the zoom on the camera. What kind of camera you got? Phone 3000. Astronaut flags. Question mark? What? Is that what he's saying that it is? Weird. It's just me and my Deluxo. It's just me and my Deluxo. Sorry for the inconvenience. What? What if you're that close and then a bug flies onto the camera? What would happen? Okay. People are just zooming in on things, I guess. A changing light bulb on the moon. Camera is amazing. I would agree with that. Camera is amazing. Bros on the iPhone 16. Did that guy comment twice? He must have loved that one. Just a smudge on the lens. I don't know about that. I would say it's CGI at the very least, but it's floating around the moon. That's crazy. I actually really like the distortion that that camera has. I think that's actually a real video that we were just watching here. If phones are that good at zooming in, why can no one catch a UFO clearly? Well, they do. You just can't hardly see them. They're usually made out of plasma, and that distorts the view of the phone, or they know you're being recorded. Please tell me what camera telescope this is. I need it. Samsung's rock. Wow, I need a new iPhone. It's like a Samsung iPhone war. That's it. I'm getting an Android. Can I get that camera on Amazon? Why wasn't this guy's camera around when the UFOs are out? This guy has a camera like this, but every damn criminal that is filmed looks like a Nokia film camera recording it. Yeah. Is the fishing line that holds it up? Is the fishing line that holds it up? Man, what kind of comment is that? Man, the Samsung Ultras are no joke, yeah. Holograms. This is real question mark. How can you zoom in like that? I would say this is definitely 100% evidence of alien life technology. That's not entirely true. I've seen an alien ship up close and made contact. The ship also has conscience. Ship and occupants are synchronized together. Yes, that is a good comment. Uh, Whether he actually did or not, but he's right. The ship does have consciousness. Well, some do. It depends. Ship and occupants are synchronized together. Yes, that is correct for the most part. Can anybody tell me what phone he's using? That zoom is super impressive. Yes, that zoom. It's a balloon. Probably Paul Nah for real. Y'all remember that movie? Okay. These iPhone cameras getting out of hand. What kind of phone is this? Amazing close capture. What camera? It's a balloon stuck. What iPhone do you have? You know when Walmart bags be flying everywhere. You know them Walmart bags be flying everywhere on their own. That's funny. Bro got the iPhone 40. A lot of iPhone talk here. That's the flag, obviously. Yeah, that's totally what it is. They actually make the flags with mesh reinforcement so they don't wave on the moon, by the way. If you didn't know that. Wait, that's not cheese? Okay. Weird. Are you using a camera? Well, no shit. Me realizing my iPhone zoom sucks. Okay. See if we can find any good ones here. NASA or rock flying in space. Cool. So yeah, what do you guys think about that one? Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and make sure to watch this video that YouTube recommends to you now. Thank you.